So you want to learn programming. I use Laravel and Vue, and Vue uses JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. And Python is also used for web scraping. You can do everything else in the other languages, but Python's used if you want to go and get data from other websites. It took me a while to figure out what to use, and I found that Laravel and Vue worked okay, so that's why I settled on those two. I wrote my first program like 22 years ago. I was so excited. I made a whole web page out of HTML. I just sat down one day and wrote it, learned it, wrote it, and published it all in the same day. I'm like, hey, programming's easy. But since then, it's not that easy. I've had times where I just wanted to throw my computer across the room, just smash it. I've nearly given up so many times, but for some reason I just like it and I just keep going with it. It's really messy. Languages are really messy. Programming languages, like, it's just like, you know, someone just hacked things together and make it work. Oh, it works, and it's just really, languages can get really messy getting it to do things. But once you get it to work, it's like a Jenga tower. Once you get all the pieces in right, it works. Just like the sun going around the world. Once it works, it works. Once you get it working, it follows the laws of nature. Like, it doesn't stop working. Once you get it working, it works. But getting it to work can be very time consuming and very frustrating, and if you don't really like it, you're going to give up. So it is fun, though. It's very rewarding. And one more thing I've learned about programming is languages evolve over time, and they're not really backwards compatible. Like, Windows was written like how many decades ago, and it still uses like the languages that were written way back then. They haven't rewritten it, they've just added to it with the new languages. So you really just have to pick something and stick with it. That's why you'll find people writing in all different languages, all different versions of the languages, because once they picked one, you have to basically rewrite to upgrade to the newest language. So you just have to pick something and go with it.